Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to turn on disappearing messages on WhatsApp. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our WhatsApp. Here, as you can see, right after opening our WhatsApp, we'll be welcomed in the home page. Here on the home page, you'll be able to see all the chats that you have had. Now, disappearing messages is a function that allows you to disappear a message that you have sent in 7 days. Now, you'll have to tap on the contact that you want to disappear your messages to. After tapping on that contact, here you'll be able to see on the top their phone number right besides the video call option. Tap on their phone number. Here, as you can see, after tapping on their phone number, you'll be able to see various information such as audio, video, save, search, and mute notification, and many more. Here on the below, you'll be able to see option disappearing messages. Here you'll have to tap on it. Here it will be said that this increases your privacy and can improve storage on your devices. New messages disappear for everyone after the selected duration. Anyone can keep or unkeep messages in the chat. Tap on OK. After that, here you'll get about 4 options that are the turn off itself. And on the first, you'll be able to see 24 hours, and on the second, you'll be able to see 7 days and 90 days. Here you can either set the timer to 24 hours, 7 days, or 90 days. I will be choosing the 24 hours option, and after that go back, and here as you can see on the disappearing messages option, you'll be able to see 24 hours. So that was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to enable disappearing messages on WhatsApp. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.